Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Under the hood we have a 4.3 liter V6 and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in white and it looks great. You got the black accenting up on the front here and on your bumper, and you do have reflector style headlights right there, and they are very bright. Now you do also have some tow hooks just down there if you did want to use those, tow someone out of the ditch. Now you also have 17-inch rims here with Goodyear brand Wrangler tires. They look great. You got the logo right there, and you do also have heated exterior mirrors hanging out there. And coming around to the back, we do have a 6.5 foot box. Lots and lots of room to haul things. You got some little step ups there, which help if you are a little bit shorter. Helps you get up in. Lots of room back here. Is very bright as well, nice and white. Looks great. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock all the doors. We do have 2 presses to lock them all, and you do have your panic button there. But let's unlock and take a look. Okay, on the door here we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right here, as well as you do have a little bit of chrome accenting on your handle. Leather for your arm to sit on, very comfortable, and you do have some storage here and some more down here with a spot for a water bottle. Lots of room in here, very nice interior. It's very soft as well, nice and comfortable, even if you're driving for a long time. You do have the controls over your lights here, so the on, the auto, the off, and the daytime running lights all hanging out in here, as well as your in-cabin light control right there. And this guy here does control your turning signals, your high beams, and your windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. So, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now, in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, our engine temperature, we got our oil up there, and our battery, all in there, as well as what gear we're in, and how many kilometers we have, which is only 58,000, not too many. Now, we can switch that guy around a little bit in the middle. All we gotta do is press this button right here, or sorry, we gotta turn it. So you do got your trip, you also have your fuel range, you have your average fuel economy, you got your tire pressure, oil life, you also have your transmission fluid temperature, your engine hours, your units, you can change that around, and then nothing, and then back to your speed. Now you can also control your cruise control from right here. Your horn is in the center, and your gear shift is right here, just like that. Now in the center you do have your radio, so you have your AM and your FM, of course, and then you can also turn up the volume and whatnot. You got your presets right down here, as well as the left and right to access more of them. Now down here you do have your volume up and down, your off, your radio, your media. You got your those guys to switch to the song. You have your tone, your back, and your home. So if you do hit your home, you do have your phone options in there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, which is very nice. And you can also go into here and change it to valet mode and access your Bluetooth and all that right through there. And then down in the climate control, we do have our power up and down, our AC. We have our circulation, where it's going to blow out of, and our defrost there with our temperature. And then down here we have our traction control and our light for our for the back. Then you have a little bit of storage just in there, and then a plug-in just right there as well. And in the center, you do have 3 cup holders, a little bit of additional storage in here, and you can lift this guy right up. And you do have some plug-ins right over here. You have 2 USB plug-ins and an aux cord, as well as a plug-in right there to charge something. And then you can close that guy up. And then right down there, we do also have the control over our 4-wheel lock, our 4-wheel low, and our 4-wheel and 2-wheel. And then right over here, we do also have a locking glove box for the top and the bottom there. Lots of room. You do have your owner's manual in there. And in the middle, you can lift this up just like this, and there is another seat underneath, so it can hold 6 people all together. And right up top, we do have our controls over our lights and a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. You do have some leather here as well with that same chrome accenting. Power windows here, and you do have some storage just down there and there and there. Lots of storage and lots of room back here as well. Very comfortable, same as the front. You can lift this guy up. It's just, I need 2 hands for it, so 1 second. There's just a little thing right here, so all you gotta do is lift it up just like that, and it folds just up like that, and you can put some stuff underneath or fold it up if you need extra room back here. And there's our 4.3 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.